What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix no internet connection after resetting your router error that you may be facing. So let's get right into this. So if you reset your router, because that's a smart thing to do every now and then, because sometimes your internet speed does get congested or backed up because you just didn't reset your router. So I would actually in general be recommending you to do that. But if you've done that and you're having no internet connection, because let's say you're just clicking into the bottom over here and you don't see like any internet access, there's a few ways to actually fix this. The first thing is to type in CMD and run this as administrator. Once you have this open up, we're going to type in a few commands. The first one is ipconfig /flush DNS, and this is going to successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And the next command that you want to run is netsh winsock reset, which is going to successfully reset the winsock catalog. And for this one, you need to restart your computer to make sure obviously everything flows in properly. Now, if you've done this and it still doesn't work, the next thing to do is type in network reset into your search bar until you see this pop up, and in here you want to press the reset now button, and this is going to remove and then reinstall all your network adapters. So it's possible that maybe something got corrupted along the way while you were doing that, because it was always connected, it just stayed connected. Now you need to essentially do this to make this error go away. Alright, yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash the thumbs up. Guys, on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. More tutorials out. Peace.